Ito muna. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Now we're really grateful kasi after our series, we're so blessed to have another series. Which is ito, and different genre naman siya. So talagang mas showcase yung ano namin, yung talent namin, yung acting, and kung gaano kami traversing sa and yeah, as a love team, well, I'm grateful because hindi naman maging life of adjustment for me because
as a love team, we like challenges, so this is new to us, the project is new to us, and just making sure na gagawin namin yung best namin syempre para hindi namin bigay mga fans namin because they're very comfy with each other, like we really enjoy each other's company, we have a lot of things in common, pero what makes us unique is yung differences namin, paano namin siya nasa-set aside. Yun po pasok yung honesty namin sa isa't isa, yun po pasok yung respect din namin sa isa't isa sa loob.
Katulad yung sinabi niya, different talaga kung paano kami before. I appreciate him more now because yeah, he's very honest, he's very appreciative, he's very caring sa akin. Not just because I'm his lovely, but I'm his friend. Like closest friend.
Ito di ba? In a relationship. Dating.
In a very good working relationship.
Yeah. Well, actually, we're really good friends, like best friends, and we enjoy each other's company.
Pero kung magiging kayo ba in real life, I mean, boy and girl relationship, boyfriend, itabago niyo? Or talagang you will tell it to your fans that you're on?
I think there's a perfect timing for that. And we have to talk about it if ever we're gonna reach that point na maging kami, if we want the public to know or not. Pero whatever works for us, yun lang yan. Yung perfect timing lang talaga.
Do you consider yourself as a boyfriend material ba si plan sa'yo and a girlfriend material?
As I said kanina, as a friend, he's very honest. I can see that. He's very caring. To everyone, he's respectful. So, hindi isa sa mga nasa list ko as boyfriend material.
Kung manliligaw siya, may pag-asa.
We'll see. I don't know. Kaya hindi ko iniisip eh.
Oo, hindi lang.
Oo, hindi lang eh. Ang daming question. Ikaw nga, oo, hindi.
Malaking chance ko. Kasi nasa kanya yung mga
Character.
na hinahanap ng isang katulad ko.
Wow, ano masasabi mo dun, La?
Wala, kinilig ka.
Is she a girlfriend material?
Sorry?
Is she a girlfriend material?
Of course, because like one of the things I really appreciate about her because she knows how to cooperate, she knows how to listen. And pag may mga away kami, parang isa-settle namin agad.
After this Hell University na medyo mas mature na on your role, mas are you ready for more mature roles for in the future? Kung sakaling bigyan kayo ng project together na medyo mas daring, medyo mas intimate, parang ganun. Are you ready for that?
I think I'm ready for that. I mean, I'm not getting any younger and I want to really explore kung ano yung kaya ko. Gusto ko talaga ma-challenge ko talaga. And I think yung Avenues of the Diamond, that, ano na yun?
Yun na, mature na rin kasi yung AUTD eh. Pero like compared to Hell You, this is like less intimate because it's more of survival. It's more of tutulungan kami para mag-survive.
Plus on me, kumbaga, dito ang mas introduce na love team sila yung dalawa, di ba? Pero kayo, ano yung pinaka-magiging role nyo? Parang, kayo ba yung parang mas, parang, I don't know, di ba?
Yung role ko dito, ako yung sister ni si Leon, si Heart, ayan. And, well, alam naman nila, if you read the series, malalaman nyo naman na mamamatay din si Samantha. And love interest niya si Grace. So, yung dalawa, ganun ang pinaglalaban sa school. Like, we want to survive. Grabe yung struggle namin. But in the end, yeah, namatay ako and we survived.
Okay. So, please invite them to watch.
Hi, everybody. I'm Omi Caraha.
And Lance Justin Carr.
And we're inviting you na abangan po ang Hell University.
January 10, only on
Viva 1.
Thank you.
For each other or for wala?
Personal or for each other?
For each other, spending Christmas with their families in their provinces talaga. And syempre to more projects with each other because ako hindi ko pa kaya mag-work sa ibang love team. Parang iba na talaga yung comfort zone ko sa kanya.
Yeah, same. I wish na more projects sa amin dalawa kasi maraming nagmamahal, not just solo namin as solos, but for a love team. So we want to make people happy talaga with our projects. So yeah, more projects. Thank you. Sorry, pwede mo yung picture. Ang motivate, binigay ko na lang. Ate Miki. Thank you. Saan ba? Ate Ayun daw kayo content. Ayun daw na ako. Mahulog daw yung taga-picture. Ang daming demand naman.
Lagi namin itong nasasagot sa mga press ko namin ni Aubrey na if you have a partner, it's really best to be honest with each other. Para you're not gonna have awkward moments, you're gonna work together freely, and you just talk to each other, kamusta niyo yung isa't isa. Pero there's no problem with being honest naman eh.
Yes.
Aubrey?
Hindi naman siguro advice ko, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng good relationship off-cam. Hindi lang pag nasa set kayo. Ayoko kasi yung mga parang, taping friends, kumbaga. Kasi mahirap yun as a love team.
Yes.
So you need to go out once in a while, know each other, ganyan. And yun, dapat siguro nandun din, hindi lang siguro yung honesty, but nandun yung respect din. Yeah, and professionalism. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Best of luck sa new series.